So, good morning, everyone. So, enabling sustainability and target energy efficiency through our platform, Greenflex IQ, and of course, Cumulocity. We are very glad to be here today with you. It's a great opportunity to share our experience and ambition to tackle sustainability issues. At Greenflex, it's a total energy affiliate. We integrate global environmental and social value creation at the heart of our customers' activities. The goal is to help them change course towards a regenerative economy. We will present you today how Cumulocity helps us to transform data into actions and transform business model of our customers who have a more sustainable and resilient model. And for you, it's an opportunity to hear our lovely French accent, and sorry about that. My name is Sébastien Trédan, I'm CTO at Greenflex.
And I am Arnaud Desjean, I am Head of Technology Solution for Stream Energy.
So let's do it. So we will present you briefly Greenflex and then the value chain carried by Cumulocity into our platform, Greenflex IQ, and then some special focus in our integration. So our ambition, we would like to be the key partner in the energetical, environmental, and societal transformation of our organization. Since its creation in 2009, Greenflex has been a driving force in the environmental, energy, and societal transition of organization, because we know that there is an urgent need to accelerate the transition to action by all stakeholders. Being the key partners in the transformation of companies and territories is therefore the meaning of the unique multi-expertise model we have built through the past years. All sectors are now concerned about at least 3 major issues, and at Greenflex we claim a global vision and approach to these issues. Sustainable development first is obviously the umbrella, which is very broad and common to all organizations. Then the decarbonization of activities is a strong dominant feature as the climate emergency requires that emissions fall drastically and rapidly. And energy efficiency is a special focus. It's a central issue in this perspective because decarbonization is not just about implementing a renewable energy strategy. It's about having a global approach with energy efficiency at the heart of it. Our customers need to reduce and optimize their consumptions. It is in response to these challenges that we have positioned our entire activity with the aim being able to support our clients from start to finish. Our model is therefore based on a conviction. It's by combining expertise that we can offer the most relevant solution to our customers. Our approach combines conception and action, and this global support that we offer is what differentiates us on the market. We provide the human, the financial, and digital means to take action. First, design means building a strategy, roadmaps, and projects. Then, act means supporting change through the teams on the ground, management through our digital platform, and the financing support. And finally, through this approach, we commit to ensure and measure the creation of economic, environmental, and societal value over time. And we will show you some examples of our business value. So, to take action, Greenflex offers you an integrated approach in the different fields. I will not detail all our business value and services, but to quickly have a quick overview, you will see some figures. We are mainly implementing in France, in the main city of France, but also in Spain, Italy, and Germany. And our projects are all over the world. So, for example, of our multi-expertise, we work on energy and carbon strategies, different sector development and transformation, project management, and all the finance to finance the project. We have a lot of energy performance contracts, and for example, we have a huge project on local energy loops, especially in the north of France. So quickly, our environmental and societal consulting, for example, monitoring the impact of products and projects, the CSR strategy, or for example, development of and transformation of sectors. I will not detail all of this one, but we work on these different, for example, project implementation, and especially performance management for energy consumption. We have a special focus on this today, the implementation of energy and low carbon performance, and we would have a special focus on our digital platform to enhance your data and monitor the performance of our customers. It's a platform built on very different modules. It is integrated in our offers to optimize energy performance, to be able to calculate emissions, and to monitor the performance of assets and equipments of our customers. So it's this platform which will have a specific focus today, and which integrate the different Cumulocity functionalities. So I will let Arnaud.
Yes. Thank you, Sébastien. So I will continue the presentation with the value chain carried by Cumulocity for our digital platform. We integrated Cumulocity in 2020 as our main IoT platform. And first, before talking about that, it's very interesting to talk about some business references. So the first business references is for a turnkey offer for HVAC solution. Our customer is a French retailer, cooperative, and hypermarket chain. We have been working for this customer since 2017. It's up in an approach of energy performance, and which is about energy monitoring and audit to identify actions to be taken without investment first. And after, in 2023, this customer decided to change its aging and underperforming equipment so he wants to change its underperforming equipment for HVAC on 4 of its sites. So for this contract, our mission was to make the preliminary and final design study, to implement works and optimization by consulting contractor, to evaluate the operations through energy saving certificates, and of course to support him during the lifetime of the contract in energy efficiency through our digital platform by monitoring the uses of its energy consumptions. Thanks to this long-term contract, we could estimate about 30% of energy saving on heating and air conditions. That represents about 380 megawatt per year on energy saving, or 5,500 euros per year. On this second business references, it's also about a turnkey for BMS deployments and also for energy management contracts. Our customer is the second largest in Europe for furniture shops. And we started with this customer in 2018 with energy management contracts. We monitored on our platform global energy consumptions and temperature on its shops. And now in 2024, we have a turnkey for installation of GTB, of BMS. I'm sorry. We support this customer of its energy performance, optimization, and automating the operation of its energy intensive equipment. Our missions were and still are to identify, thanks to energy audits, area energy saving, and carry out an inventory of its energy intensive equipment, to give us support with our energy engineer to identify anomalies and deviations, to establish energy baseline to measure energy savings, and to monitor the action plan on our digital platform. Also, we are financing the project and the deployment of all the BMS on the 216 sites for these customers. We are able to identify 9% of energy saving for the first years. We identify around 1,500 action or anomaly on the platform, and also about 100% of energy saving certificates are covered thanks to the valuation of the support of energy of Greenflex. So, just to go before to go after, what is very important in these two reference business as very important, as very representative of the Greenflex offers. Now, just have a look on the three following slides to have a quick look of some dashboard we can find on our platform. First one is a simple view for our company Total Energy gas stations. We can monitor, we can see in a single view the number of sites monitored. We can see a breakdown for the consumption value by sites over a period range, and also we can have quickly all the consumptions, but for all the sites. We can see also the energy savings estimated and measured thanks to energy baseline we can do on all these sites. And also we have key indicators for the equivalent carbon savings. On this second slide, which is interesting, is it's another view of what we can have for our energy management engineer. We can see a breakdown consumption for all of the sites for over a period analysis for all the sites by usage. We also have some key indicators and number of sites monitored. Next one, it's an overview of for this customer or of the action we can have by site and by status and localization for all the sites, but that can help the energy engineer to manage the performance of the sites. So now to support these functionalities, we need to acquire data, process this data, and turn them into actions. First, our goal regarding connectivity was make easier the go-to-market. To measure data in the field, the data in the field come from different sensors, different captors, and different protocols. So when we chose Cumulocity, our need was to facilitate the acquisition of this data by integrating a solution that would simplify the problem of connectivity and data acquisition. Thanks to Cumulocity, we found a device partner portal that helped us to find some equipment that are IoT ready with Cumulocity and with secure connectivity and also standard protocol embedded. Also, we were able to connect to some LoRa framework thanks to open source microservice integrations. At least, we were able to quickly develop some microservice or agents to connect third party that help us to have a single IoT platform for all our devices. On the second time, what is very important for us is to make easier the integration with IQ, our digital platform. To do that, by integrating the Cumulocity as a connectivity for our main components in our system, we were able to standardize the IoT data model, whatever the device. working with a single IoT platform for managing and monitoring all the type of the device, facilitate our operational teams, and let them the capability to create their own dashboard and their own custom applications. Also, this also helps us in our data governance to facilitate the integration with our data lake and all our internal data process pipeline. This allows us also to separate the data acquisition from our business use case and to enable us to connect other Cumulocity environments in order to propose similar offers to other customers that could be already connected to Cumulocity. At least remote control, it's the last time of the part. With Greenflex IQ platform and Cumulocity, we can set some action plan for energy efficiency and support our customers in their implementation. To do that, we can secure operate BMS remotely, and we also can use cloud remote access, yes, to give a secure and direct access to the BMS for our engineer. If we have a look at on some figures for the Cumulocity integration, right now we have in the Greenflex IQ platform, we have more than 140 customers that are connected with a solution energy management and Cumulocity that represents more than 5,000 sites and more than 7,000 devices. Devices are coming from different sources. More than 500 devices are LoRa network. We are connected to private or public LoRa network thanks to the framework, the microservice framework. We have some more than 30 BMS connected to a digital platform, and other more than 6,000 devices connected thanks to some agents from third-party customers, third-party provider. I would like to finish the presentation by talking about Cumulocity integration within our infrastructure. So Greenflex IQ is based on main 4 components: a web core platform developed by Greenflex, a BI component integration, which is creat. We are using Databricks as our big data platform, and of course Cumulocity for our IoT main platform. All these components must be deployed in AWS. So when we decided to select Cumulocity as our main IoT platform, our goal was to facilitate the go-to-market for our business offers and enable our teams to the use of the platform quickly. For us, that means that means to build our digital platform with a robust and reliable technical solution that can provide a set of predefined functionalities corresponding to our needs, that can be deployed on AWS, and that can be secure, customizable, and scalable. So we wanted also to minimize to our DevOps team the required skill and time to manage and to learn for the IoT platform. So our selected option was to deploy Cumulocity in a AWS Greenflex dedicated environment, to have the platform is managed by Software AG operational team that facilitates us for the upgrade of the platform and that minimize the time of the DevOps team, Greenflex team. We also have used 2 enterprise tenants, 1 for production and 1 for development, facilitate us the use, the development, the test of microservice and custom applications. And at least, we have created a VPC peering between each enterprise tenant of Cumulocity and each IQ environment of Greenflex IQ to separate and to secure the access across environments. That's it for me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
If you have
some questions.
Any questions?
Thank you for the presentation. So I'm interested, so you mentioned you have devices connected via LoRa, but also a lot of devices which are using a different mechanism. Did you develop your own custom agent for that? And what was the basis? Did you do it from scratch, or is it something based on thin edge, for example?
No, we are not using thin edge right now. Sorry. Effectively, for this kind of device, we wanted to simplify the data governance, as I said, and so we decided to develop from scratch an agent connected to some other third party and and sending the data into Cumulocity. It is not really IoT, because it was a choice, it was a selected option for our side to have all the data coming from the field into the same platform.
So it's not running on the device, it's integrating with an external system?
Yeah.
Okay, understood. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Just curious, how do you commercialize this?
We are not commercializing Cumulocity. We are providing service for energy management. Our platform, we are commercializing our platform. Cumulocity is not really used by our customers. We have some operational teams that deploys and monitor the devices to assure to maintain connectivity and so on in Greenflex for the customers. And the customers is only needs is to be sure that it can do the energy management.
So to rerun that, your people create the impact to the customer, which is what they pay for. This is just a tool to enable those impacts to be measured and changed.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you. Cheers.
All right. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.